What's going on today is the Daly City's 33rd annual Black History Month celebration, Kustawi, which means thrive on in Kiswahili. Today is a day of celebration from where we've come from and hope for where we're yet to go. On this day in particular, as I'm culminating my career with Daly City, I am grateful that my mother's legacy of making sure Black history is shared with all ethnicities and communities and appreciated, that this day will just continue to resonate in the future as other Black History Month celebrations in Daly City to come. Sarah would not have been able to really do this event. It was a community because my siblings, her children, had a big role in making sure this event came to pass, especially my sister Risa P.A. Wainwright. She had a huge hand in helping my mother to get this event started, as well as my brother Michael, my sister Juanita, sister Brenda, and many different people in the community support. This was not a one-person thing. It took a village, and it was really beautiful to see how it transpired.